Making incense. I begin with my own garden, in this case sage blossom stalks. I cut them and dry them upside down in the sun until they are completely free of moisture. I organize the parts, wasting nothing, separating leaves and blossoms. Next, I will pulverize the smaller parts. You may use a blender with a flat blade. Pour the ground herb into a bowl, pouring boiling water carefully to not overwater. Add a small amount of baking flour or diatomaceous earth, just enough to create adherence, and then let it rest. Next, hand mold segments of the herb into cones. You can squeeze out the excess water this way as well. Notice that I left some large fibers intact. This will actually help in the end. The final part is to put them on a tray and set them out in the sun to dry. This can take very short time, or it could take a couple of days. Personally, I give them curing time and test them out in a week, but I tested one today and it burned just fine. My mindset when I'm making these things is very humble and with the intention of creating something for prayer and meditation, and this will guide you actually while you're making it. Thank you for watching. Om